Hey folks, it's me again. As a lot of you know, I'm 73 years old. And let me tell you, at this age, you find yourself looking into things you never thought you'd be making a video about. So today, we're talking about Sitz bath. Yep. So here we go. And this one's by Patrick, and I'd like to thank him for sending it to me so I can do this video. Now, before you click away, stick with me because this little thing, I actually love it. And I think a lot of you are going to want one too. So I'm going to show you how to set it up. So what is it? This is the Patrick Sitz bath, and it just sits right up here in either of two places. Either here on top of the seat, or you can raise it up and sit on the rim of your toilet. Now, I'd suggest maybe trying both ways and going with the one that feels the most comfortable to you. I think on the lid feels more stable to me, but everyone's different. So there's no installation, no plumber, no calling your son-in-law for help. You just open the lid, set it on the seat or rim, and you're in business. And it's got a wider seat than the old style ones, which at my age, I really appreciate more than I can tell you. And a deeper bowl that holds more warm water. There's even a little flush hose so the water keeps circulating. Fancy. And using it couldn't be simpler, and I mean that. Here's all you do. 1, open the seat, pull out the basin. 2, connect this little hose right here. 3, pour in warm water. They say 94 to 98 degrees is the sweet spot, basically bath water temperature, nothing crazy. 4, sit down. 5, soak. 6, relax. And that's it. That's genuinely it. Even I can do this, and I've broken a Keurig. Oh, and you can jazz up the water if you want. Throw in some Epsom salt, lavender, baking soda, some say even apple cider vinegar. But let me tell you now, no, you don't want to do that. And I've read that the vinegar will actually burn and irritate the delicate skin there, so I'd say X-nay on the vinegar. But other than that, whatever your thing is, it's like a spa day. Just a very specific kind of spa day. And it's easy cleanup, which you always want to do after you use it. You just lean it back, let the water drain through these holes, and then I just rinse it out a little bit in the tub and hang it up to dry. Now, who's this for? Well, anybody dealing with hemorrhoids. And if you're in that club, you know how miserable that can be. And what this does is this warm water soak increases blood flow and actually speeds up recovery. Real relief, not just, hoping it goes away. And it's also great for ladies who just had a baby, postpartum recovery. This is really something doctors they recommend it. And honestly, even if you've got no medical reason, sometimes you just want to sit in some warm water and decompress. No judgment here. Now here's something I didn't expect to love. It folds. It folds up, flat. And you can hang it on the wall or tuck it away so it's not just sitting on your toilet like a piece of lawn furniture. It's hygienic, dry, out of the way. My bathroom doesn't have a ton of space, so this is a big deal for me. So bottom line, and I mean that in every possible sense of the phrase, this thing works. It's simple, it's comfortable. The wider seat actually, fits like a human being, and I feel better after using it. And at 73, that's the whole ballgame. If you've been on the fence, just get it. Your body will thank you, and you'll wonder why you waited so long to get it. And I'll put the link in the description, so just click on the link and check it out. And if you think this has helped you out in any way, I've given you some good information, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't. All right, that's it from me. Take care of yourselves, all of yourselves, and I hope this helps, and I hope to see you again.